Riwruok matayo weche adhula e pacho ka FKF geno mar bero rang'iny mar tayo timbe mag adhula e pacho ka gi bago tiegruok mong'ith ne kocha mag timbe mag lig ma pacho ka kochakore giko dwe mar 9 higani. Direkta mar dongruok mar tuk adhula e pacho ka Francis Kimanzi kane loso tok bago tiegruok mar CAF B licensing Kasarani wacho ni piny Kenya geto chopo kare dwaro mar CAF e weche mag tayo timbe mano coaching e piem kod lig duto ma pacho ka.
The workshop that we have had has been very, very intense because, you know, it is a regulation from CAF that all the coaches, they have to undergo what we call the license renewal for them to practice, and that's what we have been doing here. So just to make sure at least we validate the diplomas of our coaches before the league takes on.
It has taken some time for us to do the refreshers. You'll find that most of the CAF A coaches, some acquired it a decade ago, some 4 or 5 years ago. So basically it starts with us. It's coming back into terms with the football moving so fast, with the new trends, and replicating the same now to the players, because we could be, yes, impacting knowledge to the young players, but we could be impacting the same old knowledge. But again, the moment you start getting some refreshers, then it reflects even to the game downwards.